All right, we'll do a little unboxing here. I opened the package, but I haven't opened them yet. I got a pair of the Meta glasses, Wayfarers. Uh, my cat is acting wild, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I got the Wayfair. Uh, they just went on sale. Cat, come on, you're gonna mess this all up. Come on. Uh, they just went on sale because they've got uh, some of the new ones coming out. They're Oakleys. Did not like the looks of them, even though the camera is going to be, I think, a little bit better on the Oakleys. But these are 2K, which is fine for what I'm doing, my woodworking and baking and mostly real estate and podcasts probably. But so I got the Raybans Wayfair. Uh, I've always used that style. It just seems like it fits my face better, and I've got the lenses that are clear and they change, so they're progressive. That was important to me. I'll wear my contacts 99.9% of the time. I don't wear glasses. Nice little case. Also the charging case. I should have played around a little bit with the watched a few videos on setting it up, but it shouldn't be too hard. Little wipe, but I think I paid $300 roughly with shipping and everything. So we'll see. I wasn't interested in any of the others because I don't game, so I didn't want just the VR headsets and the VR glasses. I wanted something I could wear and record and everything. I tried the I have a 360. It just feels so intrusive wearing it around and holding it and stuff like that. You can even wear it, but it's pretty big. I mean, it's about the size of a credit card. I think I left it at the office, or I'd show it, but it's pretty bulky and heavy, or it's on a selfie stick. So, but I'm curious. I did do insurance on it, just for the mere fact I am horrible with sunglasses. I've always been scared to death to wear a good pair because I'm rough on them. But Wayfair is the style. Let's see here. I think I got the matte. Oh yeah. Look almost identical to just normal. They say they're just a hair heavier. Oh yeah. Than the normal Raybans. They feel very light. I wouldn't even know that they were the Meta brand, but very clear lens. But they're the progressive stuff. I go outside, they'll get darker. And nice little charging case, but I'll have to read up on it as far as how to get it all set up and everything. But I'm happy the way they look, fit good, nice and snug. So yeah, clear. But yeah, just that's where they charge there. But we'll see how they perform. But yeah, those fit better on my head. I did not like the Oakleys that had some of the more rounded sunglass part. But we'll see. And they were more expensive. Once these dropped in price, That's when I pulled the trigger. I figured they were either coming out with the Oakleys because they're owned by the same company. I forget there's another glass brand out there, maybe Wayfair, not Wayfair. Oh God, I think they have a new store here or have a store here. I think sooner or later they will also have it. But that's the unboxing. Rayban, Wayfair, Meta glasses. So we'll see. But have a good day. Be nice, be kind, be good. I'll let you know how they are.